thank you for doing the job. We'll sit down, look at this, and follow your recommendations. We are not going to bring new expertise again to look at the people, because it's you who looked at the candidates and did the recommendations. I believe as a cardinal principle, there's regional balance, and you chose the best. This is a team which is going to employ. This is a team which is going to develop human resource. This is a team which is going to find nobody in matters of disciplinary. So they are expected to be above par. I have had previously, I've been here from 2013, I've had previously cases of money changing hands. We have had cases of doctors being employed who cannot even treat people. We have had people who are employed apart from fake certificates, which of course the body cannot know. But in the future, we may want, before we confirm somebody, all those should be confirmed. And we have had cases of total incompetence. Total incompetence meaning somebody must have recommended a relative or a friend or for whatever reason, and left out very good candidates who can be able to serve, would have been able to serve the county better. And the way forward is that we want to strengthen the departments by adding more professionals and fewer support staff. Thank you for the assignment I gave you. Thank you for accepting it, and thank you for completing it. So, going forward, let's work together. You are still part of the family, so whenever you are called, please respond. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Asante sana.